Ripple CEO. ETF approval could unleash flood of capital into cryptocurrency market. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes there will be a flood of new capital pouring into crypto if a spot Bitcoin BTC ETF is approved. An ETF getting approved could create a lot of capital flowing into the market, he said in a recent interview with CNBC. However, the crypto veteran also mentioned that it is hard to balance these positive developments against other macro factors, namely wars in the Middle East and Europe. I go back to kind of first principles around big picture, Garlinghouse added, noting that the crypto industry needs regulatory clarity and lots of utility to thrive. We need to be solving problems at scale, not experiments, not possibilities. An ETF getting approved could create a lot of capital flowing into the market. At B. Garlinghouse tells CNBC at Dan Murphy as speculation mounts over a spot Bitcoin ETF approval in the United States. Pick Twitter.com/CNTP Ibn, CNBC Middle East at CNBC Middle East November 10, 2023. Garlinghouse mentions prospects of tokenization. The crypto boss specifically mentioned the prospects of tokenization and its growing adoption. According to data accumulated by Raw, size demand for tokenized treasuries has sharply increased, reaching a staggering $750 million. It is worth noting that crypto firms and investment funds are showing interest in these products to benefit from higher government bond rates significantly, as the recent market downturn has negatively impacted yields in the crypto lending space. Currently, the average yield for all tokenized treasuries stands at 5.24%. As reported, experts anticipate the market capitalization of tokenized real-world assets (RAWs) could balloon to as much as $10 trillion by the end of the decade. Likewise, asset management firm Bernstein has estimated that the size of the tokenization opportunity will reach $5 trillion over the next 5 years. Specifically, the firm forecasted a 2% penetration in currency and bank deposits, which could translate into a $2 trillion opportunity in the next 5 years. It expects another $3 trillion in stablecoins and CBDC. Garlinghouse also claimed that he's extremely optimistic regarding the future of cryptocurrencies in the next 5 to 10 years. BTC surges on optimism around spot ETF. The optimism around the launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF has fueled the recent rally in crypto markets, which saw the flagship cryptocurrency reach as high as $38,000. Analysts at financial services firm Cantor Fitzgerald believe the long-awaited spot BTC ETF is inching closer to reality. The company, known for its prime brokerage and investment banking services, has grown confident in the approval of applications from asset managers seeking to launch a spot ETF for Bitcoin. The SEC has been hesitant to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF due to concerns about potential manipulation on offshore spot platforms. However, Cantor Fitzgerald believes that the market surveillance procedures proposed by new applicants could address these worries and sway the SEC towards approval. The firm's analysts Josh Siegler and Will Carlson emphasized the importance of establishing a comprehensive surveillance sharing agreement with a regulated market of significant size to appease regulators. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up IMG. SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals img id equals newsletter pop-up img.